Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and signing in so you can launch quickly. This saves time later. First, create or use an existing account and pick a plan that matches the games you play because higher-tier plans reduce lag. Next, install the provider app on your device and sign in. This authenticates your library. Once done, make sure your network is 5 GHz Wi-Fi or wired Ethernet, and that you have at least 10 Mbps with low jitter to avoid stutters. You now launch the cloud client and connect your game libraries so your titles appear. This step lets the service stream licensed games. Once the game list is visible, choose a test title and set streaming quality. Start at 720p/60 to confirm stability, then increase resolution and frame rate if bandwidth allows because higher settings consume more throughput. Also pair your controller and tweak input latency settings. Enable overlays or chat if needed, and close background apps to reduce. You finish by starting gameplay and verifying saves to protect progress. Use cloud save and manual checkpoints to be safe because sync can fail. If you encounter lag, stutter, or disconnects, try switching to a wired connection, lowering bitrate or resolution, or selecting a closer server region. These actions directly reduce latency. If crashes persist, collect logs and timestamps, update the app, and test during off-peak hours. That information helps support troubleshoot and prevents repeated interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.